Okay, now the whole cover should lift off. It's just dusty. You can wash your hands. I'd rather you wash your hands than your jacket. There you go. Pull it off.
Oh.
Just be careful of the wire. Okay, yep. Okay, that works. Now get the air filter out of there.
Okay. Is that the air filter?
Yep. The whole thing.
How do I grab it?
Including the rubber.
Here.
Yep. Okay, now let's look at it. Is it dirty? See the other side.
Dirty.
Oh yeah, covered in dirt. So let's put the new Wicks one in.
It's a lifetime thing.
You might grab those leaves out of there first. Yep. No reason for those to get sucked into the engine. Good enough. Alright. Unboxing.
Also, I don't even think that was a leaf.
No, whatever. Bug.
Yeah,
Who
probably a
cares?
dead bug. Just a dead, burnt bug. This thing is completely clean. Look at this.
Yeah, it is. Help the engine breathe better. Alright, how do we put it in though? Can you tell? There's one tab here that look different. So where does that go?
No, there's one tab that looks like that on both sides.
Okay. But do you remember the way the other one was in there?
No.
It doesn't have any tabs, it doesn't care, so let's try putting that one in. Shouldn't have to force it, it should just fall in place if it's the right way. I'll see that tab here in the front. Yeah, but look, pull it out. That tab right here, I think that goes back there. So that's why we flip it around. Yep, that way.
You said to not force it.
That's not forcing it. Look, it fits.
Hey, look, and look, there's a little hole for that.
Hey, like it was made for it. Okay, so now what? We gotta put the cover back on carefully. That tube has got to go inside that tube. Carefully.
Inside of that.
Okay, and now the clips.
Wait.
So all the way down. It looks like it.
Looks like it.
There you go. Yeah, get that one. It looks like the clip on that side's broken, see?
Yeah.
But this one, yeah, that one is too. Not our fault. Look at it.
It's not our fault.
We just bought this. Someone else forced it. Alright, so we got a new air filter.
Must have used their ADHD kid.
I know, right? New air filter, new oil filter. Alright. Done.